Install on demand, extending flight time by 6 to 8 min. Windrise is launching Dock 3 Speaker and Spotlight Auto-install system. Remotely install or uninstall Speaker and Spotlight as permission requirement. Non-destructive install in the front cover of Dock, not affecting daily operations. One-click control on DJI Flight Hub 2 or third-party platform. Speaker and Spotlight is stored in the Dock cover after being uninstalled. Extend drone operational time and increase inspection range or mapping area. Achieve long-term stable operation via quick release mechanism. The waterproof cover automatically protects Type-C port. Withstand harsh environments with IP55 protection rating. Additionally, it coexists with Windrise auto-install drop and AED system. Meet diverse operational needs and enable one drone, multiple uses. WRO1. Unload and unleash